something I need to contribute, something I need to do to qualify for salvation. I wonder if you've had this experience that I've had with numbers of people. You have a conversation with them about their need for Christ and about how to trust in Jesus Christ, and you really feel they're taking it in and listening, and then the conversation ends with them saying something like this: I'm so grateful to you for explaining the gospel to me, because now I'm going to try much harder to serve God or to clean out my life. That you've spoken to them about the grace of God, but that's not what they've heard. They've turned the gospel into a kind of moral lecture. And the reason is because they don't have the framework of reference for taking in that God saves sinners out of his unmerited love, that God gives Christ to sinners out of his unmerited love for them. That it was, as Paul says in Romans chapter 5, it was when we were sinners and enemies, when we were alienated from God, that Christ died for us. He didn't come to die for us once we had forsaken sin, once we had repented. No, the forsaking sin and the repenting is the fruit of us being drawn to Jesus Christ and trusting in him as our Savior. One of the most